Hey there, homeowners! Ready to arm your SimpliSafe system, but the keypad's giving you the silent treatment? Don't stress. I've got you covered. Let's fix it, step by step. First off, let's tackle the most obvious culprit: dead batteries. Grab some fresh AAA batteries and make sure you place them correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. Simple, right? But if it's still not working after that, don't panic. Next, try resetting the keypad. I've linked a quick guide in the description and the corner of your screen. Resetting often clears up glitches, but what if it still doesn't work? This one's often overlooked: corroded battery terminals. Over time, corrosion or battery discharge can block the flow of power. Use a cotton swab or a small brush dipped in vinegar to gently clean the terminals. Once cleaned, insert the batteries again and reset the keypad. Still no luck? It's possible the keypad has an internal fault. In this case, you'll need a replacement. Reach out to SimpliSafe for a new unit. And there you have it. With these steps, your SimpliSafe keypad should be back in action. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which step worked for you. Stay safe and secure.